Hi, in front of me is POCO C55 and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluid. First of all, open Play Store and install free app called Magic Fluid Slide Fluid Sim from Mad Scientist Developer. When your app is ready, open it, and to mute the music right away, click on the bottom left corner. Now select those three lines at the bottom right one. Click on Set as Live Wallpaper and hit Yes in the pop-up. Following that, click on this gear at the top right corner, and after selecting I accept in First Things First pop-up, manage all of those options however you wish to. You can also just click on Presets at the top left corner. Click on the best one for you and tap on Yes in Load Preset pop-up. When you finished, go back, click on Set Wallpaper at the bottom and apply it to home screen or home screen and and lock screen by clicking on one of the available options. So when I go back, as you can see, my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!